Fashion is one of the richest and most recognized industries in the world, with a value of close to $3 trillion and also occupying 2% of the world's economy. Not mentioning how it provides many types of work and it takes a huge place inside social media. We all know the pleasure of buying what we love and the excitement we feel when we take the bag in our hands. Though, have you ever thought about how much a single piece of clothing can damage our environment? Right at the beginning of the production of clothes, nature is already injured. Fibers are the most used materials for this production, but for that, there is a need to plant it. Agriculture is the first step of production, where we can find deforestation, water waste and contamination, which is over 25,000 liters per kilogram, groundwater and soil contamination because of the number of pesticides used in the harvesting process. Not mentioning the emission of polluting gases and solid waste to the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect. During the production of clothing inside the factory, there is a use and waste of water and energy as resources. Many machines are also used for dyeing, washing, drying, and ironing, all of those emitting pollutants and wasting a great amount of water. In Brazil, for example, it is estimated an amount of 175,000 tons of clothing waste in every factory. Also, for the production of one cotton shirt, 2,700 liters of water are used. Not to mention that the textile industry emits about 1 billion tons of CO2 per year to the atmosphere. This amount corresponds to more than the emissions of all the international flights and maritime transports combined. Most of the clothes were made of fibers and polyester, and those materials were very difficult to recycle. Also, for every material, only 13% is recycled or reused. Due to the amount of waste that is produced when materials are not recycled, there is a big contribution to the main problems we cause in our environment. Consumers are the key to minimize the impact fast fashion has on the environment. First of all, it is important to stand out that there is nothing wrong with enjoying buying clothes. The main problem with it is the deliberated consumption. As a preference, you should buy second-hand clothes at thrift stores or buy from small businesses. Give preference to products manufactured in your country and check the material used in the production of the clothes, looking for an eco-friendly sale. It is important to throw what cannot be recycled or reused in the right place, having in mind a conscious disposal. Also, don't forget to donate what you are not going to use, since it doesn't only help the environment, but also those in need. It's not only up to us, it is also up to you. Now you can be part of the change.